Hey guys, welcome to part 11. All of the interior is out apart from the top backrest. I can't quite remember how to get that out, but I'll get it out and let you know how it comes out in this video. What I'm going to do now is hoover all of the inside, get some carpet mousse and a massage brush, massage the mousse into the carpet, let it dry and then hoover it again. The carpet is okay, but there is a hole at the front, but I've got mats to go over this anyway. Just get it cleaned as best as I can. I did find an old pound, which made me laugh. Not too sure what I can do with that. But yeah, that's my next job. Well, this has come up really quite okay. It is a shame about that hole. I might patch it to stop it getting any bigger. But it's clean and it smells good. The stuff I used, 1001. This center console is really rattly and loose. So I'm going to see if I've got a better one. If not, I'll clean and repair that one. I do have a new gaiter, which I'm going to go get and fit in a second. So I've got new gaiters for both of these. Oh, I found an old alarm module, which made me laugh. So that can go in the bin. Ideally, get a good new gear knob as well, but I'll see what I've got in the shed. Well guys, to reduce the squeakiness and rattles of this center console, I've literally run a seam of Tiger Seal all the way along where the top plastic meets the bottom plastic, and it's really improved it. I don't think it's going to rattle really at all. My ashtray was broken, found an ashtray in my parts bin. I even popped the cup holder out and ran a little thin layer of Tiger Seal there. I fitted, I'm excited about this, I fitted a USB port, 2 USB ports, so that a phone can be charged up, dropped in the cassette holder. That will have a fuse on the live and it will be connected to the switch live, spliced into the switch live of the cigarette lighter, which is kind of there. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I've fitted the driver's Recaro, looks really good. I'm not going to fit the passenger Recaro until I've got the center console in. And to go with the center console, I've ordered some new leathers with white stitching. So I've got the handbrake, I've got the gear, gaiter, and I've also got for the latch on the center console in here. They were £44 delivered, but I think they'll improve the look tenfold. Well guys, these look really good. Unfortunately, this cover, I think it should come down here, but it was supplied like that, so I'm going to have to try and patch it with a piece of material. I've got some PVC. It might match, I don't know. But the gaiter looks really good on both the handbrake and the gear knob. These are the ones that came off. I don't even think they're real leather. Super thin, super worn, got holes in it. Really simple to fit. Just staples and a bit of glue. So that's the 10 amp fuse fitted on the live, in line with the live, and it should be accessible if I ever need to get to it by removing the gear stick gaiter. So that's easy location. I'll tape it back there and get this fitted. Well guys, I've been faffing around with the passenger Recaro for like the last hour and a half, and the front bolt patterns match. I couldn't get the back on the one side to match. So I brought up a Mark 6 seat. I thought, what's going on here? Turns out someone's only bolted through the rail to stop it moving. So the rail's gone bad and the seat moves without the latch being up or the latch being down. I thought to myself, that's not a problem because I've got rails on the old Mark 6 seats, but they are completely different. So the bolt pattern on The front of the rails is fine, but the bolt pattern where it meets the seat is not. I'm just going to put the bolt back through for now and try and find myself a Mark 5B rail. But yeah, what a problem, what a weird problem. Well guys, that's the passenger Recaro fitted. It is bolted in place, so it needs a new rail. But I also found another wanted list. I've noticed the reclining seat handles are different. I'm guessing that's the Recaro one, and I don't know what that one is. But yeah, if I can get two matching ones, that'd be great. I'm now going to wire in that USB to the cigarette lighter, and hopefully it'll work. Well, that's the USB fitted. Looks good. I wired it into the part loom of the cigarette lighter, so the car's loom is untouched. If anyone ever wants to remove it, it's simple enough to do. You just get another one of these and pull my wiring out. Right, what's next? I'm going to clean the roof. So before I can polish up, I'm going to carry on cleaning the roof. It is still covered in lichen. So I've got some heavy duty convertible cleaner, and hopefully to kill any of the mold or algae, I've got some back 50. So hopefully that will do the job. I think this is like 40-to-1 dilution, so I'll see how we get on. Well guys, I've spent hours on the roof and it's still not right, but it's as good as I'm going to get it. What I think I'm going to do moving forwards is get a combination of different cleaning products. Whenever I give the car a good clean, you know, I'll pay particular attention to the roof, but I will look out for a second-hand roof. It's a shame really, it's really patchy, but there's no rips. It'll do for now. Well guys, that's this side polished up. It does look good, but there is a couple of dents that have come through on the polish up, especially on that rear quarter. Nothing too bad. I don't know if I'm chasing perfection. It's difficult. You know, it's an old car that was in a right state, so I have missed a couple of them, but it looks good. I guess the idea is it's only going to get dented anyway, and then I can do it again in 5 years' time. But thanks for watching. Please check out the links below. Please like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, cheers guys.